Uh-oh, who's that? Oh, it looks like Mike's here. Hey, I'm Mike. Ha. Oh, hey, Mike. What's up? What do you need? Oh, I just wanted to finish our game of 10 fingers. Okay, cool. You had two left, right? I remember. Go ahead. I'll go first. I've never been in a relationship longer than I should have. Oh, that's so lame.
Can I borrow the vacuum?
What?
Can I borrow the vacuum?
Yeah, go ahead, dude. Just come right in whenever you want, because my room is your room, apparently.
Your door said enter whenever we had a question.
My door, what did I say? That may have been on my door, and I may have put that up on my door, but I didn't say that recently.
Do you have the vacuum?
Yes, I do.
Can I borrow it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Can I borrow the vacuum? I made a mess in my room.